Looking for a side hustle to make some extra cash? In this video, I'll share with you the 7 best online jobs in Kenya for students that you can start today. According to Joshua Freeman, there is so much flexibility to work from home today, so learning shouldn't prevent you from working. As a college student, there is nothing sweeter than making your own money. Yes, I agree, there is HELB, which you'll have to pay back at some point. You may also be lucky enough to receive an allowance from a parent, an older sibling, or a benefactor. But tell me, is it enough? Can you pay your rent for the year with HELB money? I guess not. That's why you should look for the best online jobs in Kenya for students, and I'm going to help you. Thanks to the availability of low-cost and fast internet in Kenya, there is a lot you can do online for cash. Interestingly, some jobs pay via M-Pesa, and those that don't use PayPal. The exciting bit about online jobs is that you can do them in your free time and during school breaks. So, are you ready for the eye-opening money-making ideas? But before then, if you're new here, consider subscribing to this channel to continue receiving great videos like this one. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get informed every time I publish a new video. Also, be sure to check out your gift in the description below. You'll find amazing free resources that will change your life. Now let's get into it. Number 1. Freelance writing jobs. Which college student doesn't know about academic writing? That's when you get paid to do research and assignments for other students. Though you may not believe it, academic writing is a job like any other, and it pays bills for a majority of Kenyans. Some will even argue that academic writing is better than most government paycheck jobs. If you are good with research and know a few things about citation and referencing systems, academic writing is a good idea. If you write for someone with an academic writing account, you can make 300 shillings per page. So, the secret to making more money, about 1,000 shillings per page, is to have a writer's account. You can sign up for this kind of account on WriterBay, EssayShark, UvoCorp, or EduSun. You'll be freelancing, which means you'll work convenient hours from home or the hostel. However, you should note that even though there's money in academic writing, sometimes the jobs are few. The low season is experienced mostly when the students go on summer break. So, if you're looking for consistent freelance writing jobs, consider content writing. Unlike academic writing, content writing doesn't involve doing assignments for some lazy kid somewhere. No, it's about writing blog posts, news articles, product reviews, among other web-related items. You can make about $10 an hour, roughly 1,000 shillings, on a place like Upwork. You can also try Fiverr, People Per Hour, and Guru. So, what are the must-haves for freelance writing? Above everything, you need a laptop and the internet. You also need a suitable working desk and a chair. Number 2. Data entry jobs. The demand for data entry clerks increases by the day in Kenya. So many businesses want people to help them update and key in data into computers. Generally, you don't need a degree to do this kind of job, and you don't have to do it full-time either. As a result, it's the perfect side hustle for college students. The job requires you to have an eye for detail, however. You should also be computer literate. Overall, data entry doesn't pay much, not as much as freelance writing or blogging. You can, however, make about 300 to 1,000 shillings per task or per hour. Are you interested? Then visit thestar.co.ke, gg.co.ke, or careerpointkenya.co.ke for local data entry gigs. You can also try Upwork or freelancer.com for well-paying international gigs. Number 3. Transcription jobs. Transcription is just as popular as freelance writing in Kenya. If you don't know what transcription is, that's when you listen to audio files and type down what you hear. So, do you have a sharp ear? Can you type relatively fast? If yes, then you are perfect for transcription jobs. Depending on the client and your experience level, you can make $3 to $15 an hour. That's about 300 to 1,500 shillings. That's not bad for a part-time earning. So where can you find better paying transcription gigs? I recommend TranscribeMe, Verbit, Scribby, Rev, and Go Transcript. They pay decently and regularly to guarantee consistent income. And what are the must-needs to become a transcriptionist? Well, you need a good computer, quality noise-canceling headphones, internet access, and transcription software. In case you want to specialize in medical or legal transcription, you need a medical or legal dictionary. Number 4. Online surveys. Your opinion matters, and more importantly, it can pay. You may not make much from online surveys, but it's easy and quick money. Have you heard about Triabia or Mobrog? They are some of the biggest local online survey sites. Triabia Kenya, for example, can pay you as much as 325 shillings per complete survey. As for Mobrog, you can make 100 to 1,000 shillings per survey. Other household names in Kenya include Ipsos iSay, Survey Time, Palm Research Kenya, and iPol. The trick for making money through online surveys is to sign up for as many survey accounts as possible. Additionally, take advantage of the welcome bonuses. If you sign up with iPol, for example, you'll get a $5 sign-up bonus, which is roughly 500 shillings. Number 5. Online tutoring jobs. You don't need a degree to tutor online in some sites. Provided you're enrolled in a recognized college or university, you can offer lessons to make some good cash. Depending on the site you're a part of, you can make $10 to $20 an hour. That's not bad for a student. Even if you do an hour a day, 5 days a week, you can make 5,000 to 10,000 shillings a week. That translates to 20 to 40,000 a month. But where can you find these online jobs for students? Well, consider StudyRoom, Chegg, StudyPool, and Student Tutor. Provided you have a PayPal account that you can set up in seconds, you can sign up for online tutoring in those places. The beauty of it is that the job is flexible. You get to work flexible hours and pick your tutorial jobs. Number 6. Blogging or vlogging. How about you take your writing prowess a notch higher and start making passive income? I'm suggesting you get into blogging. You need to launch a blog, which is a content website. The beauty of blogging is that you can write about just about anything as long as it's interesting. My blog, for example, financialcreatives.com, focuses on finance-related content and online jobs, so check it out to learn more about online jobs for students. You can also try vlogging, which is the video version of blogging. That's what I'm doing now. So you need to write a script and then produce a video. Instead of reading your articles as it is in blogging, people get to watch your videos just like what you're doing now. Let's talk about the money. You can monetize your blog through affiliate marketing, which I'll expand on later. For now, you should know that affiliate marketing is when you earn commissions from the products you recommend or advertise on your blog or any other platform. The same goes for vlogging. So, how much can you make? Well, it depends on how much your audience likes your recommendations. You can make 100,000 shillings a month passively. However, I know people who make 5 times that amount. I should mention that Bluehost has an excellent package for setting up a blog cheaply. With just $2.95 a month, which is roughly 300 shillings, you can have Bluehost host your blog. The best part is that you get a free domain. Check this fantastic offer in the description below. Number 7. Affiliate marketing. I mentioned briefly what affiliate marketing is. You should note beforehand, however, that it is not limited to blogs. You can recommend products anywhere online. That includes social media and even via email. However, it is easier to do it through a blog. So, where do you get the products to recommend? Let's start locally. Online marketplaces like Kilimall and Jumia have affiliate programs that you can sign up for. The same goes for Muthura.com. So visit them to see what products you can promote to start making money. Internationally, there are so many reputable affiliate programs, but my all-time favorite is Amazon. You can apply for their affiliate program for free and get to make anything between 1 and 10% commission from sales. You can also try Bluehost, Rakuten, ShareASale, or eBay. They too have some fantastic deals for affiliate marketing. But how do you ensure you make money from affiliate marketing? Well, you have to promote top-selling products. It should be something that people are always looking for or are in dire need of. In conclusion, the way to financial independence for students is finding a side hustle. There are many online jobs in Kenya for students, and what I've shared in this video is just a fraction. So what are you waiting for? It's time you start making money at a young age. Besides, it makes you more financially responsible early in life. I know this video was exciting and you loved it. I'll be happy if you like this video and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss other